Let's see the introduction of bioinformatics. Bioinformatics is the analysis of biological information using computers and statistical techniques. It is the science of developing and utilizing computer databases and algorithms to accelerate and enhances the biological research. Bioinformatics is the development and application of computational tools in managing all kinds of biological data. Bioinformatics includes biological studies that use computer programming as part of their methodology. So, bioinformatics is the application of techniques from computer science to problems from biology. Dr. Margaret O. Dayhoff is considered as a pioneer in the field of bioinformatics. She is also considered as a father and mother of bioinformatics, and she was an American physical chemist, and she was a professor at Georgetown University Medical Center and a noted research biochemist at the National Biomedical Research Foundation, where she pioneered the applications of mathematics and computational methods to the field of biochemistry. She dedicated her career to applying the evolving computational technologies to support advances in biology and medicine, most notably the creation of proteins and nucleic acids and tools to interrogate these databases. And the one-letter code used for amino acids was developed by her, reflecting an attempt to reduce the size of the data files used to describe amino acid sequences in an era of punched cards. She collected all non-protein sequences and she published a book known as Atlas of Protein Sequences and Structures, and that got published in 1965. Subsequently, the term bioinformatics was first used in 1970s to refer to the study of information processes in biological systems. It was by Pauline Hogeweg and Ben Hesper. Bioinformatics is an interdisciplinary field that develops methods and software tools for understanding biological data. As an interdisciplinary field of science, bioinformatics combines biology, computer science, information engineering, mathematics, and statistics to analyze and interpret biological data. What is the need of bioinformatics? The need for bioinformatics has arisen from the recent explosion of publicly available genomic information, such as resulting from the Human Genome Project (HGP). According to HGP, the number of genes in each cell is approximately 20,000, and our body is made up of trillions of cells. That much enormous data in a cell. How could we store this, access this data, analyze this data? Here comes the use of computers. The computer helps to store, annotate, analyze, and understand the biological information that has been emerging from the fields of genomics and proteomics. Bioinformatics involves compilation and storage of biological data generated from across the globe in very orderly and disciplined manner. Let's see what is Human Genome Project is. The Human Genome Project (HGP) was an international 13-year effort from 1990 to 2003. Its primary goals were to discover the complete set of human genes and make them accessible for further biological study and determine the complete sequences of DNA bases in the human genome. It identified all the approximately 20,500 genes in a human DNA. Then it determined the sequences of the 3 billion chemical base pair that makes up a human DNA. It stores this information in the databases. It improves tools for data analysis. It transfers related technologies to the private sector and address the ethical, legal and social issues that may arise from the project. Even though SGP is finished, analysis of the data will continue for many years. Now let's see some of the applications of bioinformatics. It is applied to molecular medicine, gene therapy, drug development, microbial genome applications, in agriculture, crop improvement, forensic analysis of microbes, biotechnology, evolutionary studies, bioweapon creation, etc. The study of evolutionary relationship among individuals or group of organisms is defined as phylogenetics. Using bioinformatics, phylogenetic trees are constructed based on the sequence alignment using various methods. Waste cleanup is also another application area. In bioinformatics, bacteria and microbes are helpful in cleaning waste. Bioinformatics is also helpful for studying the climate changes. So the tools of bioinformatics are helpful in every field of life. Especially it helps in animal and plant healthcare based disease diagnosis. Bioinformatics and computational biology. Bioinformatics differs slightly from the related field known as computational biology. Bioinformatics is limited to sequence, structural and functional analysis of genes and genomes and their corresponding products, and is often considered computational molecular biology. However, computational biology encompasses all biological areas that involve computation. It involves the development and application of data analytical and theoretical methods, mathematical modeling, and computational simulation techniques to the study of biological, ecological, behavioral, and social systems. Its subfields are computational anatomy, computational biomodeling, computational genomics, computational neuroscience, computational pharmacology, computational evolutionary biology, cancer computational biology, computational neuropsychiatry, etc. Let's see the nature and scope of bioinformatics. Biological data is highly complex and interrelated. In order to understand and organize the variety of information system has to be created. There are many levels at which biological information can be used, such as genomics, proteomics, metabolomics, etc., so that the predictive methods can be developed to study the functioning of the phenotype of the organism. There is still a wealth of biological information out there to be deciphered, and there also be an increase in the number of bioinformatics research programs. Also, the bioinformatics market, despite everything, is still growing worldwide and is expected to surpass the $50 billion mark soon. The pharmaceutical industry tends to be the major employer of bioinformaticians, although biotech companies, especially those involved in personal care products, industrial organisms and agriculture, have seen bioinformatics play a major role in their industry.